Welcome to another episode of Tutorial Time. We've got blue boxes, we've got junction boxes, we've got all the boxes. Craziness. Not really, it's actually quite tame. Just a few quick electrical tips. I hope you like them. These are for a couple of quick things around the house. It's going to be a really quick, short video, so pay attention. You might learn something. Handyman. There's a joke in here somewhere, and I'm going to think of a blue box joke. Okay, no blue box joke, but a switch box is supposed to be about 48 inches from finished floor, or about 49 inches if you haven't put your flooring in yet with your underlayment. A good rule of thumb is a 4x8 piece of sideways drywall. It needs to be on the top part of that drywall. Oh, let's nerd this up for like 2 seconds. You ready for this? When you're adding receptacles, if you want to maintain the code, at least in my area, then you need to have a receptacle 6 feet away from any opening. I meant within 6 feet of the opening. And 12 feet from another receptacle. I meant the space between both receptacles needs to be within 12 feet. The more you know, the further you grow. Smart electrical fact number 2. If it's a 2-foot space, you need an outlet box like the one here, which is why I'm installing one on this wall. If it is over 2 feet and less than 12 feet, one receptacle is sufficient. The bottom of the outlet box is supposed to be 12 to 13 inches above finished floor, or 13 to 14 inches above unfinished floor. It's gonna be a terrible idea. Hey guys, thanks for watching this latest episode of Tutorial Time. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to keep coming back, hit that subscribe button. I can at least do that. This was just quick back and forth. Watch it a couple of times, let it sink in. But a lot of these electrical tips that I just gave you were more so around living rooms, bedrooms, things like that. Kitchens, bathrooms, special receptacles, they have their own video that I'm going to make in the future whenever I actually do all those things. Anyways, if you like this video, hit that. Didn't I say that? Whatever. Hope you learned something, and I will bring more tutorials to you guys next time.